work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me what you're drinking, car. Good time, good time,
Hi beautiful world. It's we're on our way out. We're going to 100 and I'm going to have to start out this because I look yellow. Yeah, I have to start it out. But yeah, so that's what we're about to do. I'm just in this simple dress. Da-da-da. And Divine is right here. What? Huh?
We out.
We out. Here with family, guys. Like it's okay. But we're here now. We're just having drinks. We're just here. Just chilling. Huh? You're hungry? Watch what? Now what?
Yeah, right.
Looking at me? Probably because I have the camera.
Yeah, your camera's got it. You know this.
But I literally just opened it up. You're Gucci with me vlogging out, right?
Yeah, right, that's all.
If the other 9 people when we did at the party, Divine was like, no, when we did it upstairs, you were like mad uncomfortable. Yeah, he was like, gosh, it feel like he put the awkwardness on it. He was like,
what it was that mad people that look like them was that.
Alright, yeah, we can't understand. If you're not used to the vlogging thing, none at all, you'll get really uncomfortable.
When I use the eyes, them they so heavy. I saw my maga.
What does that do with you? Like,
you watch a film, that was that another thing.
I'm watching football. As I said, the vibe is pretty nice and the setup is pretty good. It's my first time here and it's pretty good. Oh yeah, how you like it? I haven't experienced, I've gotten a lot of bad feedback about here, but I don't say I don't really experience nothing bad, so I'm pretty good. Because my baby food, I never come to order anything to eat, I just want to, chill. I just wanted to chill.
Rabies.
We're hungry, so we decided to come here. I don't know, we didn't get any food at 100 because at the time we weren't really hungry. So after that we decided we were going to go to Fiction, but when we go to Fiction, the place is kind of lame. Yeah, so we leave Fiction and then we'll go Pulse 38 and there's I don't know, to me that gets a very old vibe and I'm not really big on old.
No, yeah, never that. Just never want to stay there. That's it.
I don't know, it's free and it just seems like it did overpack. It look kind of miserable. It don't look miserable.
It looks like
It don't look miserable. You want to add that product? Exactly. Eventually we don't leave. So we kind of package, so we come here, so we just order some wings and fries. Have a next drink or so and then alright, so we just get the food, fries and wings. So other drinks, so yeah. We'll start moving at the daylight. Hello. I'm going real quick. I have some video for edit. I have some editing to do. For those of you guys watch my main channel and such, y'all would have seen the Bee Boozle challenge between me and this guy. And some of you guys were asking, you know, what to the boyfriend tag that I'm mentioning it. I had some serious technical difficulties where that was concerned with publishing it. So yeah, you know, see me I talk.
She tried to alone me.
Go on, man. Have an appointment soon. Then we're going out to dinner tonight. It's Pepe's girlfriend's birthday, and while me and they are editing, I go watch the car guide. Eat dirty.
One thing you know, from December start.
And January now still. In our sleep. She wearing her
May I take it off?
please. Couldn't fool me every day and night for hours. So. Shami. Come here. Away I do. Oh, I made it. Watch her. I bear them foolish. She said she go on with dinner people. Fun her. Bear foolish.
For the first time I look so.
Oh, because
You like it?
See? Yeah. Because she put up the
Really?
front, right?
When I like it, some
See,
people.
me tell her.
You
me
look
tell
better
her.
so.
Tell her. Like, see? Told you.
I don't know. Yeah? But mommy there.
She had talked to Miss Mama, you deaf?
Yeah, you deaf?
Let me take off my slippers before my girl. Mommy. Hello. You can't say something, mommy? Why you stay so? Come. Say hi to vlog people. Vlog world.
Hello.
I know me and vlog world. The camera seat here.
Bless. Hello.
Watch Brianna suck her finger. Go in there, a big girl that suck finger. I go high school and I suck finger. What?
You will load up everything. Like, you will just always ODing for no reason.
You got a problem?
Yes.
You got a problem? So we're here at the dinner, Divine and I, and
everybody in an all black.
it's him fault. Pepe told him all black and he make wear this and now we look like we don't know what one. See everybody else here. Everybody is in them. See the birthday girl down there, so and now the people in for the restaurant they kinda upset her secretary instead of my side. Like they're saying that the food wasn't good. Unfortunately, see there, she's upset. No, man, tell him that she's upset.
Oh yeah, I learned that at
So yeah, but everybody's looking fabulous tonight. Let me see if I can zoom in. So I can see them. See them right there. Like they're upset, but that's everybody. We reach when the kitchen closed, so we can't order no food. We only can order drinks. So we have to end up go to our next restaurant to eat food because we're hungry. Yeah, I'm not saying nothing. No, he actually wasn't getting ready while we late. He was on the road, so yeah. If you guys were wondering. At the two drinks that we order, we order Long Island iced tea, and when you get again, what is name? Purple, but it's actually blue, purple at the bottom. But it tastes good. This tastes really good. This is it's okay to me, but Divine say it bad, him like it.
Wow.
You said it's bad.
Say it alright, never say it bad.
You say it bad away.
Say it alright.
And you like it? It tastes like bitter grass. It's not that bad. Like it's okay. It's not bad. You want it? We know it's never gonna take it. We're leaving now.
Some food.
Yeah, we're hungry. I think we have to go end up at Triple Century though, which I do not like Triple Century, but we have to go there because we don't have no choice. Them over here start take picture and something. Pepe and him girlfriend. Remember the girl from the previous vlog that I showed you guys where I was doing her, where I told you guys I did her makeup? Yeah. So they're taking I'm saying, man. Chill. So yeah, them over there so. But yeah, so that's what's up. That's what's up. And now we're gonna head on out. So I'll talk to you guys when we reach our destination. Alright? What you say, Divine?
Yo, I'm hungry. Right now, food me I defend. And I protect.
We all know that you when we see you hungry, like chill. Yo guys, we have to end up at Triple Century. Divine, what you doing? Oh, I'm think I sleep here.
When I in the thing I read the menu, yo, love no man. Where you at?
I don't know, let me read it. I'm still pressing the Do you like pulled pork? Okay.
Pork, chicken, and fish served festival or Bami. I'm getting the jerk pork, the jerk chicken, and fish with Bami and festival. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, I found it. That's what I want.
I'll just get chicken pasta.
I just hope say taste good. I'm not gonna bend if it don't taste good.
I'm just gonna get shrimp pasta. I'm chicken pasta. Just be super safe. I'm just hungry.
Alright, you be super safe. Do that.
Be safe and just get chicken pasta. What type of food do you want? This is the drink menu.
I don't get to get me drunk. Just come over to prepare them and drink my drink plus your drink.
Regency bar.
Over prepare them and just say, so I'm gonna meet up with them. Love me. That's great. So let's probably get that. When I get that yarn, I get probably
Blended.
dark cream or
I want a mango daiquiri with extra rum.
yo, you don't do no work, you know, just make one makeup alone, you know.
No. I have to pull it in case it gets hard like that serious. Feel it.
But I feel nothing.
I was wondering if I was not going to.
Actually work.
Wait, in just I said makeup is not work. Makeup is a lot of work. I have to bend my back for hours.
I never say that. I never say no work. I know your work. I still say your work. Shit. Nobody will do it. Yo, so what do we do? How do we do? Like what kind of? It needs kind of food.
Yeah, like nobody not come to it to like.
Try black man they come in and say what I would serve here.
No, somebody should have been here like a long time.
Like a couple of
Those people right there are still waiting on their order.
It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them niggas. Look at how many is upon them. How long you been here?
Yo, well, a good 20 minutes or so.
So that means I'm going to wait probably like an hour.
Hi, good night. Yeah.
Alright, let me get service to you, alright?
Yes.
Yeah.
You come on boom up on the people them glass. We don't know how I want to walk on my drink from them glass. Send me a straw real quick. Right now, I will not trust them. Alright, thanks so much. come like him. Jeez, it's slow.
Guys, I got chicken alfredo, well, chicken pasta with jerk sauce. And Divine, what you get again?
I don't remember. Jerk pasta or something like that.
What does that consist of?
Roast fish, jerk pork, jerk chicken, bami and fries.
Okay. So we're just gonna grub on this and then talk to you guys. It is up. It's Friday. And I'm heading to ship me. I'm not even know if I'm what. So yeah, I have a number of packages there because like there are some packages that I should have gotten like from say probably the first week of December.
Oh, you no go on here. Make sure you no go home.
But yeah, so all this here when we did one gate never reaching time just because of the holiday rush, I guess. So I just get there.
Please. We might go left, right.
Sun Ripon Road. You know, I'm in a New Kingston there, so alright.
Alright, we know all that.
Yeah,
right.
one Ripon Road. I know which part it is. So, oh my gosh, and yeah guys, a lot of people been messaging me asking me how does ship me works. Like all you need to do is Google it. Like I never have nobody to guide me and tell me how to use for go about using ship me. I was confused just like, you know, some of you guys as to how to get an account with ship me and all of that.
When since you have one stop the blind one.
You will see how to make an account. It's free. Once you have your account, they give you your address. It's kind of self-explanatory. After you just have to, you know, concentrate on the information that them issued to you. And you know what I did is like I ordered like a small item and just test it out to see if it was actually going to go to the address and all of that, and it actually did. And then when it reached the office and I went to collect it, I said that everything was super professional, so that's why I continued to use them. So yeah, just that's pretty much how it works.
I like smoking weed, I like getting fly. I like having sex, I like girls who ride.
Me not lie, people, me feel all because mommy know about Snapchat. Why is this not focusing? Gosh.
I rate me.
I can't believe say mommy know about Snapchat.
Boy, you can't believe. I think say me all.
So mommy, let's know what you know about Snapchat. Exactly.
No, well, I know say she don't know everything about it. You know, say disgusting.
Mommy, answer.
Those kind of promotes it, no good. I would tell you who you are, but because I'm a child of
Christian? Don't tell lie. Oh, shoot. Oh. Where you go, mommy? Where you go?
Don't worry, don't question me.
That's what you gonna do.
Come out of my way.
What you gonna do?
Yeah, feel I'm gonna do.
What you gonna do?
Yeah, we're the jumping out to that bird job loop yet.
So we're gonna watch